This is not a financial advice. If you invest $10 into this Catholic project right now, you will be getting 2,500 Catholic tokens with your $10 investment. Then if at the end of the day, if this project turns out to be successful, that means if the project happens to sell at the rate of $1 per token, then you have made a whopping sum of $2,500 for yourself. So if you would like to get started, click the link in the comment section of this very video below and get started. Sign up and follow the simple instructions which you are seeing on my screen right now. This is not a financial advice. So if you are buying into this project, only invest what you know you can afford to lose. Once again, like this video, comment, hit the red subscribe button, and ring the bell notification icon for more videos like this. You're welcome.